Hello, this is SimplySavvy Life. Just making documentation. This is the corner of Gettysburg and Bowen Streets in Jackson, Michigan on December 7th, 2023. And the purposes of documentation are simply going for a walk and walking by a sewer that had the sound of gushing water, which is not typical. Trying to turn my light on here. Yeah, it won't let me turn it on. So if you could let me see this real quick. There is actually visible gushing water coming out of a pipe down here. I don't know what this means. Just never seen it before or heard it before. So just taking a quick documentation clip. What time are we? Say what? Alright, this is, I don't know, somewhere between 11 p.m. and 12 a.m. December 7th or 8th, 2023 on the corner of Gettysburg and Bowen.